Have you ever wondered if you can actually learn to sing at home without an expensive equipment, without a vocal coach, and without embarrassing yourself? If you've been told you can't sing or you feel shy about your voice, stay with me till the end of this video because I'm going to show you exactly how to start singing at home the right way. And yes, you don't always need talent, you need proper technique. Hi, I'm RJ and you're welcome back to my channel How to Sing with RJ, where I help beginners find and improve on their voice step by step. If you're new to this channel, please do well to click on the notification button and subscribe so you don't miss my vocal tips. Let me clear a big myth right now. You don't need a studio or a coach to start singing. Most professional singers started at home, singing in their rooms, bathrooms, or even their kitchens. The difference is not where you sing, but how you practice. For singing songs, you must find your natural voice. Now say this with me like you're enjoying a very good food. Do it slowly. You see that relaxed sound? It's very close to your real singing voice. But if your throat feels tight and painful, then you're doing the wrong thing. Singing should feel easy. Good singing starts with breathing and not shouting. Now place one hand on your chest and one on your stomach. Now when you breathe in, your stomach should be the one moving and not your chest. While you breathe in, if it is your stomach that is moving, then you're doing the right thing. But if it is your chest, then you're doing the wrong thing. Now breathe in for 4 seconds, okay? Breathe in for 4 seconds. Hold for 2 seconds and then breathe out. Release on. Okay? Now if you can do this daily, your voice will become stronger and steadier by the day. So practice breathing techniques because that is the foundation of singing. If you want to really learn singing at home, consistency is everything. Now let's do some exercises. Let's start with humming, gentle humming. Okay, now let's go. This helps you warm your voice safely. Secondly is the lip trills. All you have to do is just to brrr, just like car engines. Brrr, 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 brrr. Now this helps you sing without strain. Next is the vowel practice. You need to learn how to pronounce your vowels correctly. You sing with good vowels, yes, you are doing good singing. Now let's learn our vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Now let's sing with it. A, E, I, O, U. Let's go. A, E, I, O, U. Let's go. A, E, I, O, U. Let's go. A, E, I, O, U. Again. A, E, I, O, U. Slowly and relaxed. So if you can do this for 5 to 10 minutes daily, believe me, you're gonna get better. You need to practice your humming, you need to practice your lip trills, you need to practice your vowels. Okay? We don't want to hear you singing and you are singing something that is not correct. You need to practice your vowel to be able to pronounce words or lyrics clearly while singing. Very important. Okay? Next up, you have to practice songs at home. Practice singing at home. Now how can you do this? You need to start with very simple songs, not difficult ones. You want to get to the mountain. You will not fly now. You have to start climbing little by little. So you start with very simple songs. Songs like You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Songs that you can easily sing without stress. Try singing those simple songs first, and while you sing them, you need to sing them slowly and focus on pitch, not on power. Focus on pitch first, okay? Then as time goes on, you can begin to see how you can improve in other things. Then record yourself with your phone while doing that, because when you record yourself, you begin to hear yourself and see ways in which you can improve. But if you cannot hear yourself, you just assume that you are doing well. But when you record yourself, you hear yourself singing and you see, okay, I'm doing this well. Okay, I'm not doing this well. This doesn't sound good. Oh, let me see ways in which I can improve on this. Yes, so recording yourself is the fastest way for you to improve in your singing. Now, don't do the following. Do not shout. Do not shout to sound powerful. No, don't do that. Don't copy other singers. Improve on your own. And please don't practice only when you feel like it. Short daily practice is far much more better than long practice once in a week. Daily practice makes you improve better. If you practice correctly, you'll begin to see improvements in 2 to 4 weeks. Your voice will become clearer, stronger, and more controlled. Singing is a skill, and skills can be learned. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button, comment, and share to that person that you know needs to learn how to sing. And if you still need one-on-one online singing lessons, I'll place a description on that on the comment section. Now to the next video, guys. Keep singing and believe in your voice. You can do it. Bye bye.